I even nimeona mambo ya aibu. You know, usually people want to know kaya tuliposununda serikali ya mono. The reason is because I have respect some of our national leaders. But now, na wao wajiheshimu tafadhali. Sasa nimesikia some of our national leaders are saying, oh, we are average thinkers, we are average people, and so on. Are we actually average, or Kenya is reeling from the vagaries of an average government? Serikali, every corner you look is chaos. Education chaos. Ama de mnaona jacket goibwa, unali kuulika kwenye ndara ya chukua. Koibwa kamuro chama de mwa koibwa. Na raga ndretoka. Isha dengo baragazi. Magenro tayo ande kene ngigendreti owo limubuoka. Tigana baboli abantu bami. Leadership in the country. It's so amazing the level of incompetence and chaos in the country. Yani, 2 Kenyans are arrested, Babera Buganda, Babenya, and nobody gets them out of that place. It takes the retired president to go and negotiate there and talk kwa sababu yeye ndiye anaheshimiwa na wale kuacha watoto wetu. I mean, how much more incompetent can you be, honestly? So abantu bami ko remember the way. Now so I think you will